Hi guys, let's look at multiplying a decimal and a whole number. So say that I have 1.5 times 2. Okay, and there's a decimal there. We're going to set it up the same way that we would set up a regular multiplication problem if it was 15 times 2. So we have our numbers 1.5 times 2. And we're going to ignore the decimal for the first part of this. So we'll do 2 times 5, which is really 2 times half, which is 0, and you put a 1 in the ones place. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Okay. Since we have a decimal here, we need to have the decimal there in our product. And the way that we do that is we look at what we're multiplying. So in this set of numbers, there's one number in the decimal value. And when you look at the next one, there are 0 decimal values. We can look at it as 2.0, but that's not what we're multiplying here. So to find out where the decimal goes in the bottom, we just add those up. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1. So we're going to have one number in the decimal. So we will put it in between the 3 and the 0. So 1.5 times 2 is 3. And we can check our work, because remember multiplying is similar to adding. We can do 1.5 plus 1.5. Half and half is a whole. 1, 2, 3, 3.0. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say that we have another number. Let's do 2.75 times 4. So we write it the same way. Times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, put the 0 and carry up the 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30, put the 0 and the 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Okay, and we're back at the question, where does my decimal go? Okay, and looking back, I have 2 decimal values and 0. So my decimal will be 2 plus 0, which is 2, 1, 2, and it'll go here. Okay, so my solution, my product, is 11. Okay, it works the same way if I have 3 decimal values. So 4.125 times 8. Okay, I can set it up as 4.125 times 8. And remember, we're not actually, I shouldn't be doing that. I should be saying 125 thousandths. But remember, as we're walking through, it might help. Okay? And we have, it's in the thousands, so I have 3 decimal values here. 0 here, so I'll have 3 total when I go through and multiply it out. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. And remember, I have 3 decimal values. So I go 1, 2, 3, and that's where my decimal goes. If you have any questions, let me know.